I want to talk to you today about trim and moldings. We get so many requests for trim and moldings, and we have not caught up to listing very many of them. But we're now going to give you a preview of what we have going on. I want to give you an idea that we've got thousands of pieces of trim at Caddy Daddy. We've got a few little items up here. We'll even have a few of the 1930s dual side mount trim pieces stashed away. But you'll see 1965 Eldorado, but all these pieces need to be sorted. These are trunk lip moldings. I call them TLMs. This is an aisle that I'm very proud of. Almost everything is sorted and labeled, but you don't know it. You don't know that we have it for sale, but now you do with this video. We've got fender skirt moldings on this side right here, and we've got hood lip moldings starting around 1953 over on this side going up into the 80s. And if you either email us, text us, any form of social media and say that you've seen this video, just use the word molding and we will go on a special hunt in our warehouse for that piece of trim that you need to finish off your Cadillac. Most of our rocker panel moldings. We've got some on the board up here, trying to get more up, but we've got a wall full right now, all sorted, and we just got another big inventory. This is our area where we have a lot of specialty convertible trim. You can see we've got several different 4x8 sheets of pegboard just loaded with it. None of them are listed in our store. We hope to get to it. But if you use the word trim on our media, email, call us up, we will look for that piece for you. This wall is mostly sorted door trim. We've got 2-door trim on one end, 4-door trim on the other. Before we offer you this piece of trim, we'll clean it and look at it from every angle to make sure that it's true. And we'll disclose that to you, any scratches, any nicks. We try to do the best job we possibly can to let you know what you're going to get, no surprises.